Here I am at Turtle Lake Refuge Cafe in Durango, Colorado. Back here again, visiting my daughter Gabriela, who is raw food chef in the kitchen. And there's Rachel, another wonderful raw food chef. And what have you made today? Let's see. Oh my goodness. This is all raw food, local and wild. I mean, this is like, you just can't eat this way anywhere else. So let's see, what do we have here? I know that there was a juice that you started with. Do you have the juice?
We have a tomato soup with local rosemary and local sage.
Ooh, a tomato bisque, right? Tomato bisque with local rosemary and sage.
And then we have local peppers stuffed with a local cauliflower and local zucchini rice with a pesto on top. Local basil pesto. And then we have local salad with a purslane, mallow, tahini dressing.
So local lettuces, what, from a local farm?
It's from the turtle farm.
From the turtle farm,
I need to bring these outside now. So.
And then mallow, you said?
Mallow, purslane, tahini dressing.
Yeah, so some wild edibles, purslane and mallow. Beautiful. And there's the juice that we start out with, and that's a wheatgrass, celery, lemon,
And ginger.
and ginger.
And we grow the wheatgrass here with our own compost. Tiffany, do you want to
Grow
bring
the
this one
wheatgrass
to
here.
Jim?
Absolutely beautiful.
Does he have a juice? I think so.
And for just a $15 donation for your lunch, you can come and sit outside among these beautiful green plants where people come every Tuesday and Friday.
We also have dessert.
And dessert, let's see dessert.
It's a wild chokecherry avocado mousse with local currants. Also wild.
Wow, what are chokecherries?
Chokecherries are a stone fruit. They're a small tart cherry that grow on lots of trees around here.
Nice. And those are the chokecherry.
These are currants on top.
Oh, and those are currants.
Yeah. The chocolate mousse is made with chokecherry juice.
Gorgeous. Can't wait to try all this. Thank you, Gabriela and Rachel.